In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request access on Google Drive. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the necessary steps to ensure you can access the files you need without any hassle. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account if you haven't already. This action will bring you to your Google Drive homepage, where you can view all the files and folders that are currently available to you. Now, to request access to a specific file or folder, you'll first have to locate the item you wish to access. Typically, if you receive a link to a file or folder that you don't have access to, clicking the link will bring you to a page indicating that you need permission. On this page, you'll see an option to request access. Click on the Request Access button or link, which is generally easy to spot. Once you've clicked on it, a dialog box or form will appear asking you to enter a message to the owner of the file. Here's where you can add a polite note explaining why you need access. It's always a good idea to be clear and courteous in your request to increase your chances of gaining access. After typing your message, go ahead and submit your request. The owner of the file will then receive an email notification about your request for access. They can either grant or deny access based on your relationship and the nature of the document. Once your request has been sent, there's not much left to do but wait. In the meantime, it might be useful to follow up directly with the file owner if you know them personally, just to give them a gentle nudge and ensure they see your request. Now, what if the owner grants you the access? You'll get an email in your inbox notifying you that you can now view the file or folder. Clicking the link in the email will take you directly to the file in Google Drive, where you can review its contents and work on it, depending on the level of access you are granted. If, for some reason, your request is denied, you might want to ask for clarification or find an alternative way to get the information you need. Communication is key, and often a simple explanation can clear up any confusion. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently request and gain access to files on Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.